Assalamu alaikum students, and welcome back to your English class, and I am your teacher Miss Maria, and this video is for class 6. And students, so today we are going to do a copy work, and for this what you have to do, you have to draw the margin line with your pencils. Now after lining the page, what you have to do, you have to write the date with your black pen. Today is 16/6/2020. Classwork end day is Tuesday. So today we are going to do essay writing. So put the heading of essay writing. Which essay we are going to do today is morning walk. So today we are going to do essay of morning walk. Now after giving the heading on the page, what you have to do, you have to leave one line because it looks nice. Okay. Now start writing the essay with your blue pen. The morning walk is best exercise for us. We should walk fast for half an hour every morning. We can breathe fresh air while walking. The air at that time is clean and pure, while atmosphere looks serene. Serenes mean peaceful. If you want to write it in after this word, you can write it, or if you don't want to write this peaceful here, you can skip it. Then we should walk on a grassy ground. The birds chirping in the morning sounds very amazing. The morning walk gives a fine start to the day's work. Day with apostrophe s यानी दिन का ठीक है work. When we walk briskly, our mind remains active. We should go for walk after Fajr prayer. We should sleep early at night so that we could get up early in the morning. As it is said, early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Through morning walk, we can stay away from lots of health problems. So in this walk, what they have told us, they are asking us, at the very first they are telling us that the exercise is very important for us. Okay, because we lots of people from us, they daily go to the exercise, go for exercise in different kind of gyms. Okay, so they are saying that this morning walk is the best exercise for all of us. Okay, then they are saying that for half an hour in the morning walk is very beneficial for us. Then they are telling us that breathing in the fresh air is very good, and when we have fresh air, we have fresh air in the morning time. Okay, why in the morning time? Because in the whole night we haven't so many rush on the roads, and we don't have a traffic on the roads, so we have a clean pollution. Okay, we don't have the those smokes from the car. Okay, so that's why we have a clean fresh air in the morning. Okay, so they are saying that at that time, when in your life you have experienced it, maybe you have experienced it or not, when you wake up in the morning, early in the morning, like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, you will look that the whole atmosphere is very peaceful. ठीक है, that's look serene. आपको जितना भी एटमॉस्फेयर है वो एक पुरसकून, और उसमें एक अजीब सी खामोशी आपको मिलेगी. परिंदे चहचहा रहे होंगे. ठीक है, आपको बर्ड्स की चिपिंग सुनाई देगी. सो एट दैट टाइम मॉर्निंग ऑल्सो अफेक्ट्स अवर बॉडी इन अ गुड वे. ठीक है, देन morning walk gives us a fine start to the day's work. When we go to the morning walk, it will freshen our mind, it will freshen our body as well, so we can work easily in the whole day. Then when we walk on the daily basis, what is the meaning of briskly? Briskly means stays fast. Okay, when we walk fast, our mind remains active and fresh. So we should go for walk after Fajr prayer, because as I have told you that we have a fresh air and peaceful atmosphere at that time, so it affects our body more effectively. So we go to morning walk after Fajr prayer. So if we will sleep early to the bed, ठीक है, and we are easily able to wake up early in the morning, ठीक है, and we have a well said early to bed early to rise makes a man healthy wealthy and wise, यानी कि अगर हम जल्दी सोएंगे जल्दी उठेंगे तो हम जो भी हम हैं, हमें वो जो हमारी नींद है वो हमें थकी हुई सी नींद नहीं होगी, हमारी फ्रेश होंगे हम, ठीक है, तो हमें ये सारी चीज़ें जो है वो हेल्दी वेल्दी एंड वॉइस बनाएंगी. सो फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग वॉक वी कैन स्टे अवे फ्रॉम लॉट्स ऑफ हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स, बिकॉज इफ़ वी आर फ्रेश, ठीक है, अवर बॉडी इज़ फ्रेश, सो वी हैव अ मोर गुड इम्यून सिस्टम, ठीक है, वी हैव अ इफेक्टिव इम्यून सिस्टम. सो इम्यून सिस्टम का अच्छा होना किस चीज़ के लिए होता है कि ये हमारी मुख्तलिफ़ बीमारियों से लड़ता है, ठीक है, आपके अंदर जो भी मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की बीमारियाँ पैदा हो रही होती हैं उनके ख़िलाफ़ ये लड़ता है. सो आई एम होल्डिंग दिस कैमरा, you can pause the video or you can take a screenshot of it and write it down on the notebooks, ठीक है, and you have to write it on the notebooks. Okay students, the second essay which we are going to do today is courtesy. So what you have to do, you have to draw the margin line. After lining the page, what you have to do, you have to write down the day. Today is 16/6/2020, classwork and day is Tuesday. So we are going to do essay writing. Which essay we are going to do today is courtesy. Courtesy means gentle and polite behavior in dealing with people in our day-to-day life. What they are saying, that courtesy means that we have to be gentle, we have to be polite in our behavior with dealing with other people in our daily life. It is an act of civility and good manners. What is this act, courtesy? What is a courtesy act? It is actually the act of civilization, ठीक है, civility शो करता है, हमारी तहजीब शो करता है, हमारे manners शो करता है, the manners, good manners which we have grasped from our elders or our ancestors, ठीक है. Then courtesy is a great virtue in a man's life. Virtue means फजीलत, खुशकिस्मती, ठीक है. So this is a great virtue for a person, that he have this quality, that he is a courteous man, ठीक है. Courtesy demands one to be modest and decent in his talking to and behaving with others. So what courtesy demands from a person, it demands from a person that he have to be modest. What is mean by modest and decent? Modest and decent mean that he have to be very mannerable person, ठीक है, उसको तहजीब आनी चाहिए हर चीज़ की, दूसरों से बात करने की, उनके साथ बिहेव करने की, किस तरह से ही हैव टू बिहेव विद अदर पीपल एंड हाउ ही हैव टू टॉक विद अदर पीपल, ठीक है. कर्टेसी डिमांड्स दिस फ्रॉम द पर्सन, ठीक है. देन कर्टेसी इज़ द गिफ्ट ऑफ treating others with warmth, other with warmth, ठीक है, warmth and respect, ठीक है. What courtesy is the gift of treating others with warmth and what does mean by warmth? WARMTH. warmth means गर्मजोशी से, ठीक है, यानी खुश दिली से दूसरों को मिलना जुलना, ठीक है. ये नहीं होता कि गेस्ट केम इन टू योर हाउस एंड यू आर गोइंग टू योर मदर, मॉम वाई दे केम टू अवर हाउस, आस्क देम टू लीव अवर होम, ठीक है. दिस इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग, ठीक है. व्हेन गेस्ट केम टू अवर होम एंड यू वेलकम देम विथ फुल ऑफ योर attention, ठीक है, with full of your heart's happiness, then it is good for a courteous people, and this is the this is a sign of a good courteous people. ठीक है, so courtesy is a gift for those people who warm and respects other people. Then courtesy costs nothing but pays a lot in return. It doesn't cost anything from you, ठीक है, but it gives a lot of thing in the return, ठीक है. That can be a respect, that can be anything. A courteous man is liked and loved by all. Why he is loved and liked by all? Because he is the people who is dealing with them with the good manners, ठीक है, who is talking them with a good way. He is behaving them with a very peaceful mind, ठीक है. He welcomes all of them, all the people, so he is obviously going to be liked by all of the people of his circle and out of his circle as well, ठीक है. Then this type of man remains very popular among his friends and relatives. So why this type of people remains very popular and popular among his friends and relatives? Because I have told you earlier that he will welcomed all of them. He talked to them very nicely, softly, politely. So obviously if I am going to talk you with a very polite manner, ठीक है, I am not going to shout you, I am not going to ask you anything, ठीक है, I always treat you in a very polite manner, then obviously you will respect me, ठीक है. If I will not do that, you will not respect me, you will not remember me in your memories, ठीक है, or in your prayers. So this type of man remains very popular among his friends and relatives. Courtesy really makes everyday life more friendly and more meaningful, ठीक है. So courtesy is the gift, so it makes everyday life more friendly and more meaningful. So students, now I am going to hold this camera, and what you have to do, you have to take a screenshot, or you can pause the video and write it down on your notebooks. And I hope these two things are clear to you now, and you have to write these two essays on your notebooks, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz, students.